Science.
This microlight, travelling with a flock of migrating birds, is piloted by French ornithologist Christian Moullec. He has spent years training birds to follow him in order to show them migratory routes which avoid hunters with guns. His idea is to substitute himself for their parents by getting the young birds used to him and his microlight from the day they hatch. I am these birds' adoptive father, but if I want them to follow me, I have to bring them up right from the beginning. They're in my house. I sleep with them right from day one. It's quite a tie, but then afterwards we can go on long journeys. Canadian Bill Lishman was the first person to lead migrating geese with a microlight in 1986, and his experience was fictionalised in the 1996 film Fly Away Home. In 1990, Christian Moullec completed a flight of 2,000 kilometres from Sweden to Germany, followed by 30 geese. That first journey proved that it worked. The birds flying with us memorised a new migration path, and they teach it to their offspring every year. We did it with 30 birds, but we have to be able to do it with 500 and hope that they'll then survive in nature. But funding for these projects is, as always, hard to find. So to raise money, Christian has set up a company offering microlight flights to the public.